When we want to play a happy chord progression, we know we want to play the 1, 4, 5 chords of a scale. In this case, if we look at the C major scale, we play the 1, 4, 5 chords. That's the C, the F, and the G chords. And that's going to sound uplifting and happy. Well, what if I want to stay within the key of C major, but I want it to sound a little less happy? Well, I can go then to the Aeolian mode, which is going to be starting with an A minor. That's the natural minor scale of C, and we're going to play the minor chords that are located at the 1, 4, 5 position. So that's going to be an A minor, a D minor, and an E minor. And you can already tell it's sounding a little different than our very happy. Right? Now we listen to the A minor version again. Just a little bit more subdued. Now this isn't a very exciting chord progression. There's a lot of more interesting chord progressions to make. But a lot of the information that we have about our major scales, we can translate right over to our minor scale and make the kind of chord progressions we're most interested in.